Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the disability rates. Next is the daily. Daily means the disability adjusted life year. It is defined as the number of years of healthy life lost due to all causes, whether from the premature mortality or disability. It is the simplest and the most commonly used measure to find the burden of illness in a defined population and the effectiveness of the interventions. Disability rates, two things needed to measure the daily are the life tables of the country to measure the losses from the premature death, loss of the healthy life year resulting from the disabilities. The disabilities may be permanent, polio or temporary, TB, leprosy, physical or mental. Daily year of the life lost plus years lost to the disability. Uses of the dailies. There are the to assist in selecting the health services priorities, to identify the disadvantaged groups, targeting health interventions, measuring the result of health interventions, providing the comparable measures for planning and evaluating programs, to compare the health status of different countries. One daily is one lost year of healthy life. Next is the QAL, is a quality adjusted life year. It is the most commonly used to measure the cost effectiveness of health interventions. It estimates the number of years of life added by successful treatment or adjustment for the quality of life. Each year in perfect health is assigned a value of 1 down to value of 0 for the death. Next is the nutritional status indicator. The nutritional status is a positive health indicator. Newborn are measured for their birth weight, length, head circumferences. They reflect the maternal nutritional status. Anthropometric measurement of the preschool children. Weight measures acute malnutrition. Height measures chronic malnutrition. And mid-arm circumferences measures the chronic malnutrition. Nutritional status indicators like underweight, weight for the age, the greater than -2 standard deviation SD of the WHO child growth standard medium. Stunting, height for age -2 SD of the WHO child growth standard medium. Wasting, weight for the height -2 SD of the WHO child growth standard the medium. Overweight, weight for height, the +2 SD of the WHO child growth standard median. Next is the nutritional status indicator. Growth monitoring of the children is done by measuring the weight for age, height for age, and weight for height, head and chest, circumferences and the mid-arm circumferences. In adult, underweight, obesity and anemia are the generally considered the reliable nutritional indicators. The trend in the child nutrition status like stunted, underweight and the breast 51 to 45, 43 to 40 underweight, NFHS2 and NFHS3 difference. In today's class, I discuss about nutritional status and indicator and also about the disability rate, delay and the quality. Thank you for watching.